I am Theo. I am a 23-year-old woman. I have long black hair. I wear glasses, and behind me I have a white background. I live in the city centre near the canal, and I work mostly with refugees and asylum seekers, and I try to engage those communities through the arts. I want to be part of the Community Connectors program to meet like-minded people, build networks, create connections, and become more integrated in the city and its diverse communities. During my time as a community connector, I'm hoping to share knowledge, experience, and expertise with other connectors and producers from the City of Culture, and I'm hoping to deliver a program that is meaningful to the city. I'm currently working on adjusting my project to suit the current situation after receiving advice from other connectors and the program coordinator. And I'm still making sure that the project relates to the outcomes and impacts that I've learned on the last Community Connectors session. I'm happy to be collaborating with interesting people I met on the program, and I look forward to the regular Community Connectors meetings so I can keep developing those relationships. If I were to describe Coventry in one short phrase, it would be new beginnings.